Hi everyone, International Syrah Day is on February 16th, so I thought it would be fun to talk a little bit about the grape and the wines that it makes. The Syrah grape is from France, where for centuries it's been used to make exquisite, full-bodied, and complex red wines. In the Rhone Valley, close to the Mediterranean, the Syrah grape thrives in the warm climate. Here it's used to make single variety wines like Cornat, Hermitage, and Saint-Joseph, but it's also blended into wines like Châteauneuf-du-Pape. The grape enjoys huge success in Australia too, where it's known as Shiraz. Unfortunately, it's been less popular in the United States, and that's due in part to how it came to America, particularly California, in the late 1800s. Simply put, Europe's most famous varieties like Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Pinot Noir made it here first. And with wine icons like Robert Mondavi, Cabernet and Merlot gained momentum, while Syrah largely went unnoticed. The good news is that since the 90s, Syrah has been coming to its own in California. Winemakers discovered that it performs better in warmer climates, places like Paso Robles and Santa Barbara. And now, there are wineries in Baja California, Arizona, and even Texas that champion the grape too. So what does Syrah taste like? When grown properly, Syrah can be a real explosion of fruit flavors. And I always say if you could taste the color purple, this would be it. Just imagine a powerful red wine full of candied blackberry preserves, sometimes chocolate or licorice in the mid-palate, and a spicy black pepper finish. As Syrah or Shiraz ages, it's well known for its musky, animal-like smell. It can even have a meaty or savory quality to it, which adds a nice level of complexity. And when it's used to blend into wines like Châteauneuf-du-Pape, it's put there to add some body, fruit, and spice. In general, wine drinkers say that Old World Syrah is more light, acidic, and savory, with a lot of that meaty, musky quality, whereas New World Syrah or Shiraz tends to lean more on the fruit flavors and be a little bit more full-bodied. So that's our quick dive for International Syrah Day, and we're actually going to be tasting this Châteauneuf-du-Pape for our premium wine club. So if you're interested in wines like this and future sets, the information will be below this video. And for more quick sips and wine tips like this, be sure to subscribe to the WTSO YouTube channel. I'll see you soon. Cheers, everybody.